Vanakkam friends, welcome once again to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about Nifty Forecast for the last week, expiry week of March series and the financial year 2021-22. Before going into this, uh, newcomers who are watching our video for the first time, please click on the subscribe button and the next icon, notification icon, so that you will get all our videos whichever we post on time and you will not be missing any of our videos. The last week position which we have suggested in writing options, 17,400 call as well as put, which we have suggested to write somewhere around 400 to 420 of combined premium, has ended somewhere around 180 rupees on expiry day, which means we have gained more than 55-60% in that position. This is just an update. Now we will see how we can expect Nifty to perform during the upcoming week. Okay. For this, I have opened the Nifty daily charts as usual and then added two moving averages. By default, our black one will be 20 moving average and the maroon one will be 200 moving average. After getting past this 20 and 200 moving average, continuously for nearly 6 days, there were attempts made to break 200 moving average on the downside. Continuously nearly 3 to 4 attempts were made, but all got rejected. Nifty is failing to go below 200 moving average, which means that 200 moving average has become a strong support as of now. As of now, I'm saying, okay. And if this support is getting holding during next week, and where is the 200 moving average? It is at 17,036. If this particular support is holding for next week, we can easily see 17,500 coming before expiry. And if 17,000 is crossed on Wednesday, definitely we will be seeing 17,636 on expiry. So on the downside, what is the key level to watch? This 200 moving average is the key one to watch, 17,036. If this level breaks on the downside, there are good chances that we will visit the 20 moving average again. 20 moving average, 16,717 at present situation. We might have seen Singapore Nifty closing somewhere near 53 points in green on Friday at 11:30 p.m. IST. But remember, at that time, 11:30 p.m. IST, Nasdaq was trading somewhere around 140 points in red, whereas Nasdaq ended near 35 points in red. So now looking at the situation, remaining 100 points of Nasdaq green move is yet to get factorized in Singapore Nifty. If this is going to be the case, probably on Monday, we will definitely open with a gap up, say about 80 or 90 points, somewhere in this zone. So if you add 100 points to 17,153, it will be 17,253, somewhere in this region, plus or minus 20 points. Okay, I will not be exactly able to say you right now. Maybe plus or minus 20 points. Okay. Higher end, I have told you the resistance as well, 17,500 and then 17,636. Only this we can expect till Thursday. I'm not taking Friday into consideration. Why? Because that becomes the next series. And 31st of March is the expiry day, last trading day of the March month, and last expiry of financial year 2021-22. This is what we expect during next week. But there is a small challenge over here. I will convert this particular candle into Heikin-Ashi candle, where we are seeing a small doji kind of stuff over here. It is a candlestick pattern. Whenever in an uptrend, if a doji forms, it is indicating us to stay in a cautious approach, or it is indicating a opposite direction of trend, or you may call it as reversal of trend, which means this uptrend may get fizzled out and it may drop on the downside. But for this to happen, it must break the 200 SMA. If not, we are on the safer side. And Monday, if by any chance, next to this, if we are seeing a flat bottomed green candle, then for sure we are going to meet this level, 17,636 on or before expiry. So based on this, what kind of position you can take for trading? That will be a big question for you. As always, I used to suggest only one pick. So have 17,300 call in your watch list. The last tick is 126.60 on Friday, and the adjusted close will be little bit different, maybe plus or minus 10 points, because on last 20 minutes of Friday's session we had a 100 point surge in Nifty all of a sudden. Okay, if you see here, I'm opening the daily, I mean 1 day charts in 5 minutes time frame. I've converted into candlestick, in normal candlestick. See over here, in the last 15 minutes, it has surged nearly 100 points, which means the adjusted closing will be definitely different. If you even see over here, the last tick is 17. I mean, this particular candle is showing the close as 17,177. That is the last tick, but the adjusted close is 17,150. So it will be calculated based on the weighted average price of last 30 minutes of trade on a given day. So accordingly, this rate will also get adjusted. It will not be 126, probably it may be minus 10 points or so. So on Monday, if you see a gap up opening, as of present situation, definitely we are going to see a gap up opening only. Don't rush, don't chase. Instead, wait for few minutes or until at least till European market opening, maybe around 12:30, 1:30 kind of stuff. In between this period from opening till 1:30 kind of stuff, 1:30 p.m. After a gap up opening, if we are seeing Nifty falling towards Friday's close, which means if Nifty is opening at 17,250 and then before 1:30 p.m., if we are drifting slowly towards 17,150, we can take this 17,000 call option, 17,300 call option. So let me repeat it once again so that it will be very clear for you. Forget about whatever the gap up opening which you see on Monday. Wait for Nifty to come back towards Friday's close, which means 17,150. At that situation, at that timing, you can take 17,300 call. Probably, if this situation happens before 1:30, 17,300 call, definitely you will get somewhere around 90 to 110. This will be the price if you get it before 1:30. Say for example, on the other hand, if Nifty is not opening gap up, it is opening flat 17,150 plus or minus 20 points, then immediately pick this particular call, 17,300 call. Very remote chance of getting a gap down opening. If by any chance we see a gap down opening, even then also take it immediately, whatever the price it may be. On any case, your stop loss should be 17,000 Nifty spot. If Nifty gives up 17,000 in Nifty spot and goes below it, trades below for even 5 minutes, exit your position. On the other hand, if it is breaking 17,335 or 350, you can hold this position with guts. You will get a target of 300 before Thursday. And whoever is not willing to play this as a hero or zero trade, better square off your position when you see 50% profits in your position. No business will give you 50% profits in 1 or 2 days. So, if you are satisfied with that kind of returns, you can exit as and when you see 50% returns from your entry price. But remember, you should not go and chase if there is a gap up opening. I have made it very clear. Don't come and ask me questions in our queries segment saying that, sir, I bought this at opening today around 160 rupees, 150 rupees, but now it has come down. I will not even answer your question over there. Okay. Play very cautiously. It's the last week of the financial year. So profit booking must be on timing. If you miss the timing, then you might be beaten up badly by markets. Hence, please trade as per the levels given. And moreover, there are many members who are asking me personally saying that, sir, I have got 5 lots, I have got 3 lots. What should I do? Can I book part perfects or can I trail the stop loss? These kind of questions I am getting through personal messages. I apologize that I would not have answered any of your queries. Why? Because I have never suggested to trade more than 1 lot even for my premium members. If I am not suggesting even for my premium members, then imagine the free member situation. I always suggest to go with only 1 lot. Why? Because we will not become richest in just 1 day. So please trade accordingly and make your positions according to your risk appetite and exit on time. Hope I am clear with all my instructions and levels. Let us see in the next video of Bank Nifty. Before that, I will give all the our Telegram channels links in the description of this particular video. Please stay connected in our Telegram channels, wherein we will be live during market hours. We have an exclusive group for clarifying queries. You can ask queries about your personal positions. Don't ask queries about the calls which I have given, because I will not be able to answer you. If the positions has been taken by your own or by suggested by any other person, and you are getting trapped in such a position, means you can ask query. I'll be able to answer you and clarify your doubts over there. And like I said multiple times in our earlier videos, trying to fix the problem on going YouTube live, but still I'm not comfortable and I'm not able to rectify the problem. Once the problem is resolved, we will definitely help you during market hours live in YouTube with charts, so that you may also learn something during live markets. Stay connected, guys. Have a good day. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.